Often if I'm at a cocktail party or other social gathering and somebody comes up to me and says, so what do you do? What is Nalpeiron? What is Zentitle? This is really how I describe it. Zentitle is a way for software vendors, and we use that term software vendor fairly broadly, could be on-premise, could be hardware devices, could be SaaS. But we allow them to easily price, package, and sell their offerings. Because when you look at it, Mark Andreessen was right. Software is eating the world. And regardless of what kind of company you are, you're typically looking to provide value to your customers in some way through software. So our job is to help you take that software and monetize it in whatever business model you wish. Concurrent, floating, consumption, usage, and so forth. So that's the key part, is we provide that abstraction. The other thing we do is act as that system of record, right? If you are a software company and you've sold a certain set of rights, what we would call entitlements, against your intellectual property, you want to know from a definitive standpoint exactly what you've sold to each of your customers. So you can make sure that you're fulfilling against that, right? So that system of record, who has what are the changes, what's the audit trail around that, that's another key part of what Zentitle is all about. One of the other key aspects is often developers will build in specific business models into their application. What Zentitle provides the ability to do is through implementing our APIs into the application itself, you can insulate a given application or portfolio of applications from having to worry about the specific business model, the specific go-to-market approach. So whether it's sold on subscription or trial, a feature, or what have you, the engineers developing that application don't have to worry about that. All of that can be figured out later by product management. All they need to focus in on what features should be enabled for a given license. This also frees up developers to really just focus on that core functionality, right? Stuff that actually is built around their domain expertise that delivers value to the end customer. So by allowing development to focus on that as opposed to enforcing business models and such, they can really get the biggest bang for the buck. From an operations standpoint, sales operation, the back office, it also allows all of that fulfillment of entitlements to be automated. Often we've seen in the past that software vendors would spend considerable manual effort when they wanted to spin up a new instance, generate a brand new account, and it would be very error prone. So what we allow is to automate all of that, which gives you two benefits. One is consistency, because everything is done through the same automation, and that streamlining of the entire process. And of course, one of the important aspects is it automatically ensures that all of your customers are within compliance of the license terms under which you sold them those entitlements. So you don't have to worry about are they overusing, are they underusing, et cetera, because through our platform, we'll tell you exactly what their usage is, as well as give you confidence that whatever the license terms that need to be strictly enforced are in fact being enforced. So really, Zentitle in a nutshell is a way of automating your software business, giving you a lot more agility, giving you a lot more flexibility to really price, package, and sell your offerings any way you want.